Beswick Engineering offers multiple different quick disconnect styles. Those include the single shutoff, the double shutoff, the dry break, and the no shutoff quick disconnects. In this segment, we'll talk about single shutoff quick disconnects. Most commonly, the internal half of the assembly contains a shutoff valve, which prevents flow from escaping from the internal end only, and the external end is not provided with a shutoff valve. The fluid in the tube or hose connected to the external end will be vented to atmosphere when the internal and external ends are disconnected. For that reason, the single shutoff style is typically used with compressed air in systems with other non-hazardous and non-flammable gases. Double shutoff quick disconnects have shutoff valves within both the internal and external ends. These shutoff valves retain pressure in both fluid lines when the assembly is disconnected. This is ideal when the fluid is a liquid, an expensive gas, or a flammable gas. While double shutoff quick disconnects are provided with shutoff valves in both ends of the connector, it's important to understand that the fluid can still leak out, usually from the external end, when connecting or disconnecting, if the fluid lines are under pressure. If a level of sealing beyond what is provided by a double shutoff quick disconnect is required, dry break quick disconnects should be specified. Dry break quick disconnects ensure that the shutoff valves in both the internal and external ends are fully shut off prior to disconnection. The two halves of the disconnect form a seal before the shutoff valves are open during connection. Dry break disconnects, often termed no spill, typically have low dead volumes to prevent trapped fluid from escaping or dripping when disconnected. This low spill feature is especially important when the fluid is a liquid, an expensive gas, toxic gas, or a flammable gas, where minimal leakage is paramount. Now we're going to talk about no shutoff quick disconnects. Quick disconnects without shutoffs are often used when high flow rates are required. They're generally limited to applications involving low pressure air or other non-hazardous gases because the fluid is not contained in either end of the assembly upon disconnection. Beswick quick disconnects are available in brass, electroless nickel-plated brass, 303 and 316 stainless steels. Be sure that end users are cautioned to wear eye protection when connecting and disconnecting these fittings to avoid possible injury from pressurized fluid line or exposure to the fluid. Thank you for taking the time today to learn about Beswick quick disconnects. To learn more, visit our website at www.beswick.com or contact our applications engineering team for further guidance.